Welcome back to my final morning report chart proposal on Tuesday the 17th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Let's look at gold. And we've seen a bit of disappointment actually. We saw some traction early yesterday, but that fell into the close, and again we've seen a bit of early traction that's sort of reversed. At one stage gold was up around $8-9, but then it's just fallen away, and it's actually trading slightly lower on the day now. So really a bit of a disappointment actually, I would say, and this sort of improvement that we saw that was threatening yesterday to break that downtrend, I don't think has necessarily, well, certainly hasn't confirmed the downtrend break. It slightly broke it yesterday, but certainly didn't confirm it, and fell away. And it's actually sort of 17 or so, 16, 17 bucks off yesterday's high now. So that's quite a big turnaround. And we're still in this sort of consolidation phase on gold, not able to get any real traction. And it certainly seems to be that there's no real sort of winner at the moment in the battle for control. Show the hourly chart and you can see that here's that initial sort of trend line break, but it couldn't sustain the move and fell back quite quickly through it. So you're sort of back into the testing of the sort of potentially positive outlook on the momentum. That RSI once again back to sort of the mid 30s to 40s area on the hourly. If you drop below towards 30, maybe below 30, that would suggest I think we're going to be putting pressure on this initial support at 1263, which we've seen on a couple of days at the end of last week. So just watch out for that. But certainly the traction in that move that we saw yesterday has fallen away. It's not looking all that positive anymore. 1270 is interesting level, as pointed out in the morning report. Sort of put the crosshair there, and it is the old sort of pivot line, isn't it, around that 1270, 1271 area. So that is an old pivot, and it does. Oh, sorry. It does tend to sort of consistently come in as a line that the market is looking at. So 1270 seems to be an interesting level. So if you lose 1270, I think you're probably going to be testing that 1263 level anyway, and that would sort of probably coincide with the RSI dropping towards the low 30s as well. So a few sort of deteriorating near-term aspects that we're looking at on this gold chart, but it certainly hasn't sort of looked to break higher, or certainly hasn't been able to confirm the move to break higher. And it's back into this sort of consolidation zone now. So we're waiting still for the next breakout on gold, and I think I still believe that it's going to be. We've got that medium-term positive trend on gold. However, it's just not able to break the shackles yet and move to the upside. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on gold, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you. Or tomorrow, sorry.